At CIE Manufacturing, we create intermodal chassis that power the logistics industry. From our cutting-edge facilities to highways and ports across North America, our container trailers are engineered for exceptional performance. CIE Manufacturing, intermodal chassis engineered to last. CIE Manufacturing is a leader in the intermodal industry, delivering high-quality equipment built for the U.S. and North American markets. Headquartered in Los Angeles, California, with manufacturing facilities in Virginia and Canada, we are positioned to support the logistics industry nationwide. We build more than chassis. We build trusted partnerships through reliable performance and quality engineering. At CIE Manufacturing, quality is not just a goal. It's a standard we uphold every single day. We make sure every intermodal chassis trailer meets our rigorous standards from production through final inspection. Quality drives everything we do, setting us apart in the industry. Our workforce is the backbone of CIE Manufacturing. Each chassis reflects its pride and dedication, ensuring excellence in every detail. Our clients trust CIE Manufacturing to deliver. With proven results like reduced downtime and improved cargo safety, our intermodal chassis and container trailers set the standard for reliability in the logistics industry. At CIE Manufacturing, we build intermodal chassis with a commitment to quality and service. Thank you for considering us as your logistics partner. Visit our website to explore how we can support your business success. CIE Manufacturing, intermodal chassis engineered to last. CIE Manufacturing, driving innovation, reliability, and excellence in intermodal solutions. Contact us today to transform your logistics operations.